passing going backwards and forwards. And again, that was just trying to open the width of the gate between the two middle defenders. As you see, running a backdoor play.
Yeah, just a bit too easy here. Just getting a sweet play, and I think he's called this player offside.
Auckland boys. Oh, he gets into the in goal. No way. Unlike these players, they would have seen that. We've just seen this so many times, Matty. We're on the fifth play where nothing's on.
Done enough to avoid the call. Fifth touch coming now. Ball moving through their hands. Here's Broadhurst. Can he get it to the winger?
Seen there was running hard into your hole and draw and pass, which created the numbers on the outside. Youth Touch Nationals held here at Bruce Pulman Park at Takanini. Auckland straight into their work. Oh, great little play there.
Yeah, Ngātai Crib with some silky skills here. Goes for the dive, the pop out. Well, you just saw the wind hold that ball up. It was actually going out there, and then the wind just stopped it.
And we had Wynyard Saunderson just snake his way through the defence. Lofisa couldn't quite reach out.
Samuels setting the platform up, big right to left.
Yeah, he was really good in the first half. He just missed his assignment there. With the wind, this is a huge right to left still. Auckland strike right back.
Defensively though, both teams got a little bit of adjustments to make. Sweet play again. This seems to be what North Harbour's going to. Oh,
Ooh.
Different option though. Last time to the left. Matty, this is your wheelhouse, buddy.
Yeah, this is a beautiful ball here. Same play, he's been getting a lot this game. Just a sweep, gets on the left to right, and just a bullet.
Brian Masters. Drop. We have the sweep play again. Oh, nothing on. Was it a touch?
They get a 32 short, feed the wrapper early. They were actually pretty well manned up here, but just a little bit too tight on his man there, and yeah, Logan makes the call, ball down.
Again, Auckland really pushing the moving forward to its limits. Nice attack from North Harbour now, left to right, beautiful pass.
Yeah, that's the patience that we've been wanting to see a little bit from Harbour. They just brought everyone up. And that man again, Mania King, picks the right option.
Max Matthews. Auckland, though, got an overlap here on the short side. Looked like there was a little bit of a hold.
Oh!
And you might be thinking, don't they always happen after the fifth? Well, yes, normally after a strike dump or a strike play that happens on the fifth. But we're going to be into our first drop-off for these 2024 Nationals. Last touch now. What can North Harbour do? Oh, the same move and the same side.
Just love the way he's so deceptive with the ball in hand. You don't know which way he's going. He pops it up to Manarangi, Ariki, Sau and Cecil.
I don't know, we need one quickly though, 30 seconds, down 2.
Tap the ball, is he onside? What does the referee say? Offside, play through, 22 seconds to go. We just see that get in a penalty. Durban Burgess doing exactly what he should do, straight onto the ball. We see him there, beat the defender to the scoreline. The Auckland boys are just absolutely fatigued.
Māori Active.